With this question, again, you could use technology. I'm just showing you table 4. And so this is the question. Given these two z-scores, you sent me this picture, z equal -1 and z equal 1.4. What's the area between those two? And so I find this information. I was showing you how to use table 4 in the earlier videos. I've got my book open to table 4, and I'm just looking these numbers up in it. I looked in z equal -1, and I found 0.1587, and I looked at z equal 1.4, and I found 0.9192. So I drew a picture of each of those. The table always gives you the area to the left. So for z equal -1 from the table, that area would be 0.1587. Then z equal 1.4, the area to the left would be 0.9192. And so we want the area between them, and so you need to subtract the two areas, because the z equal -1 would be equal over here, and we need to take off this area here, which is the 0.1587. So you just subtract those two areas, I get 0.7605. I hope that helps.